Welcome to the Petroleum Unit. In this unit, we basically learn everything that we need to know about the reasons to use petroleum and the reasons not to use petroleum. And since we're always searching for solutions, we discover some exciting alternatives that allow us to tip the scale, and our students can be agents of change. Scientifically, the unit really marries the concepts of scale with structure and function. We look at geologic structures laid down over unfathomably long timescales that function to trap oil underground. And we look at how tiny molecular structures of polymers determine the everyday behavior of plastics, making them durable and flexible. In the big picture, transportation clearly features prominently in our unit roadmap. That's because students make the connection between petroleum use and transportation and carbon emissions. So their unit challenge is to reduce their family's transportation carbon footprint. Let's see how we do it, chapter by chapter. In Chapter 1, students follow the story of how petroleum forms, recognizing that it takes a long time. In Chapter 2, students look at how and why petroleum is distributed unevenly around the world, and how our use of it has evolved over time. Chapter 3 is about understanding the chemistry of how we take sticky goo out of the ground and turn it into other products. We solidify our understanding of states of matter and the energy that it takes to change between them, realizing that it takes a lot of energy to refine hydrocarbons. We keep our molecular focus and spend Chapter 4 trying to explain how we can get some plastics flexible like a trash bag and some rigid like a toy brick. It's all about chaining together long strings of molecules. And as valuable as plastic is, it doesn't need to be made out of petroleum. We can make environmentally friendly bioplastics. In Chapter 5, we analyze graphs to discover that transportation is our biggest use of petroleum. So if we want to make a change, we're going to have to start there. Chapter 6 focuses on what happens when we use too much petroleum-fueled transportation. Air pollution can sometimes get so bad that we can see it. Students are going to engineer their own air quality sensors so that they can even see it for themselves. Chapter 7 is our chance to make a difference by bringing our learning home. The goal is for students to develop a transportation carbon footprint reduction plan that they can implement at home and share with their classmates, getting the word out that we can make a difference by using less petroleum. It's time to get it all done, so let's get started.